Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to turn off autoplay videos on YouTube in just 2 simple steps. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. So let's get started. As you can see, YouTube videos are playing automatically right now. If you want to stop it, just follow these steps. Step 1. First of all, open the YouTube app. Then tap on your profile picture icon. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on playback. Here, simply turn off the autoplay next video option. Now the next video will not play automatically after your current video ends. However, videos on the YouTube home feed can still play automatically. Step 2. If you want to stop autoplay videos on YouTube home feed, then tap on your profile picture icon from here. After that, tap on settings icon at the top right corner. Then tap on general. After that, tap on playback in feeds. Here you tap on off. Now videos on your YouTube home feed will not play automatically while you are scrolling on YouTube. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.